Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Numerics with Nadia. In today's lesson, we're going to build off of what we learned in our last video, where we classified geometry's key angles, including complementary, supplementary, vertical, and adjacent angles. If you guys haven't watched that video, I would highly encourage you guys to watch that one first, because we're going to use everything we learned in last week's video and apply it to some practice questions today. The directions for our practice section say to solve for x using the definition of complementary, supplementary, and vertical angles. For number 1, we have a supplementary angle. Why? Because it forms a straight line. Now, what does supplementary mean? Supplementary means that those two angles will add up to 180 degrees. So we'll do x plus 85 equals 180. And when we go through and solve, we end up getting that x equals 95 degrees. Now, if we look at number 2, this would be a vertical angle. Why? Because the x is across from the angle that we know, and that angle measure is just 90 degrees, right? Because it's a right angle. So for number 2, x would equal 90 degrees. Now we'll move on to our third practice question for today. For number 3, these two are forming a 90-degree angle, which means that this would be classified as complementary. Complementary means that they would add up to 90 degrees. So 69 plus x equals 90. And when we solve for x, we end up getting 21 degrees as our answer. So x would equal 21 degrees for number 3. Now for number 4, these two angles form a straight line. They are supplementary. So again, they would add to 180 degrees. We would do 117 plus x equals 180. And we would solve for x by subtracting by 117 on both sides. And when we do that, we get that x equals 63 degrees for number 4. Now we'll move on to number 5. For number 5 here, we have vertical angles, and vertical angles are equal. So x would just equal 128 degrees. And for our 6th practice problem, these two are complementary because they're forming a 90-degree angle. So in order to solve for x, we know that both angles' sum would be 90 degrees. So we'll do x plus 35 equals 90. And when we go through and solve for x, we end up getting that x is 55 degrees. And that wraps up our beginner practice problems. Now we'll get into a few challenging ones. For number 1, we have vertical angles here, and we know that vertical angles are equal to each other. So we would set the 2x plus 1 equal to 75. We'd subtract 1 from both sides. That gives us 2x equals 74. And when we go through here and divide and solve for x, we end up getting that x equals 37 degrees. So this one was just a 2-step, whereas the other applications were 1-step. Now looking at number 2, we have complementary angles, right? These two are going to add to 90 degrees. So that's what we're going to do. That means that both angles 4x plus 2x should equal 90. 4x plus 2x gives us 6x. When we go through and divide and solve for x, we end up getting that x equals 15 degrees. And now we'll move on to our third and final challenge question and final practice question for today. For number 3, these two angles would be supplementary because they're forming a straight line. Supplementary means that we're going to add these two together and that we should set it equal to 180. So when we do that, we get 7x plus 20 equals 180. We will just go through and combine like terms and solve this out algebraically. And when we do that, we end up getting that x equals 20 degrees. So that wraps up all of our practice problems for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this shorter video. This was just to really practice and get a good, strong foundation on all of the types of key angles in geometry, including supplementary, complementary, and vertical angles. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like it if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys next time.